Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rao_KE, and it's another beautiful day that we have to appreciate the goodness of God. We have to appreciate everything going on in our lives. Even for being alive, you have to appreciate. Okay, for today, in my video today, I'm going to make some salmon and I'm going to bake it. The first thing I need to do is to preheat my oven, which I already turned on. My oven is already preheating. And then here I have the salmon already aligned on the tray. So these are the salmon. Cooking salmon depends on the size of the salmon, the cuts. Mine are finely cut, so I'm going to cook them for a very short time. But the first thing I have to align them here, then I prepare what I'll use for kind of marinating it. It doesn't need a lot of preparation because tuna is very easy to prepare. Salmon, sorry, I keep saying tuna because I love tuna so much. These are salmons, these are not tuna. So all I need is olive oil. This is the olive oil I'm gonna use. So I'll put my olive oil here. I put my olive oil here. Then I need to use the parsley from my kitchen garden. These ones I got from my kitchen garden just a few seconds ago. I'm gonna chop them into small slices. Okay. It's actually good when you have things in your kitchen garden. You just grab them when you need them and then you can use them. So I'm gonna use my parsley from the kitchen garden. Can you just confirm tunaona ni kama mkono yangu ionekane huku chini? Just nifanyie ionekane tu kidogo. Okay. So I'm going to use these ones, but I need to kindly chop them finely. So this is the olive oil. I told you that already. Sorry for repeating myself. And so I have chopped these ones very finely. My oven is actually heating up, getting ready for my salmon. Salmon is such a delicious type of fish you can eat because it's very tender, the smell is actually so nice. So I'll put the parsley in the olive oil. I'll mix them together. I think it's even more than what I have to cook, but it doesn't matter. I have some garlic cloves, just like that, and then I just peel them. It's a beautiful day just for running in the sun. Guys, the weather has been so funny recently. Keeps changing. The other day it was very hot. Today it's very cold. So we don't even know which one to look forward to anymore. So I'm going to stick the lemon in the mixture, just like that. Excuse my garlic here. Just 3 cloves of garlic is okay. Don't need a lot. Before I came to China, I never knew that I would eat such kind of things like salmon. I just see them, I used to see them in the restaurants, and we don't even imagine that it will one day come on my table. Now I'm the one here preparing salmon. So I need a small knife to creep it off. So guys, this is my garlic, olive oil, and a bit of lemon. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon. I need a sieve. Where is my sieve? The small sieve. Okay, here we go. The taste of lemon really adds some flavor to the salmon. Okay. Okay, so I need a brush to mix it up. Sorry. So this one just mix the tuna. Sorry, I mix my olive oil and my parsley and lemon. The smell of the lemon makes it even more delicious already. So this one I'm going to apply onto my salmon, just a little bit like this, like to. I think my olive oil seems to be less. I need to put more olive oil, but I don't want to add more. Oh, what time? Did I not measure enough olive oil? Salmon is actually one of the fish that we eat here, the seafood. It's very delicious, very nutritious, but also very expensive. So we rarely eat this. So I'm just going to pour most of the garlic on top so that it can blend so well with it. I don't need to turn the other side. That's just one side is okay. Oh, my pan is actually overloaded by. My pan is full of parsley, but it's fine. Bring more flavor to the salmon. So slices of lemon, just a little bit, and put in between. Or maybe I need to cut them in half because these ones are not so big. So I'll put some lemon on it, so that when it's baking, the lemon juice can keep the freshness of the sogginess of the salmon. Just like that. Ooh, unfortunately, my lemon is gonna get finished now. You can spread them, you can put them together, you can, as long as they have the flavor, it's fine. Some slices of lemon onto it helps with the. All right, so guys, I'm gonna show you how it looks like before I put it into the oven. So this is how it looks like. You can see the parsley, the garlic, and the lemon. So it's time to put it into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. That will be enough for it to cook. The oven has been preheated, so it's gonna cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. It should be ready. So let's wait and see how it comes out. So that's how I'm cooking my salmon today. Now I have to clean up the rest as we wait for it to get ready. Still here, and I'm going to prepare some salad that I'm going to use with the salmon. So today we want to eat some salad. I'm actually grateful to this shop. They always prepare for us salad, so we just have to do the shortcut and do the eating. So this is the salad. They came handy in a pack. You can add something that you want to add to it. I wanted to add some boiled eggs, but not yet. So it's not yet ready. I'm just preparing this. It's time to dress my salad. I'm dressing my salt, my thing. I'm using honey mustard. For the dressing. I have honey mustard and I have the mayonnaise. I'm using mayonnaise too. Then I'll put some bit of olive oil again. Just a little bit of olive oil. Olive oil is actually very good because it's good in rich in vitamin D. Vitamin E. D-E. And as usual, whenever you cook any food, you need to put some salt to taste. So I'm gonna sprinkle some bit of salt.
You don't put in salt with honey.
If I had another lemon, I would squeeze here, but I don't have another lemon at the moment. So at this point, I'm gonna add this into the mix. Maybe a bit here for you to see. I'm telling you, if you could be here to smell how it smells, it's really appealing. Worth the effort, yeah? So guys, this is what I'm gonna eat for lunch today. So guys, this is what we're gonna eat for lunch today. It's salad with some salmon, and that's all. So thank you for watching. Kindly consider liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos to your friends and family and communities. See you in the next video. Bye bye.